Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. If you have not subscribed Math Solver 1117, subscribe Math Solver 1117 because on this channel you will find the complete solution of O levels, A levels, IGCSE, GCSE and many others Olympiad math problems. So today's Olympiad math problem looks tricky, but when I solve this, it will become easy and simple. Problem is 2 raised to power k minus 2 raised to power t equals 4080. You have to find the value of k and t. So how we will start solving this question? We will solve this as first of all we will consider that k should be greater than t. That means if we take 2 raised to power 4 minus 2 raised to power 3. This equals 16 minus 8 equals plus 8. So this is a positive number. But when we consider, but if we consider 2 raised to power 3 minus 2 raised to power 4, this equals 8 minus 16, that equals minus 8 negative. So for positive answer, we will consider that k should be greater than t. Now in the next step, we will take 2 raised to power t as common from this. So remaining will be 2 raised to power k minus t and minus 1, and this equals 4080. Now in the next step, we will consider take k minus t equals m. We will consider this equals m. So we have here 2 raised to power t into 2 raised to power m minus 1. This is a even number because this is a multiple of 2, and multiple of 2 minus 1 is odd. So multiplication of any even number into odd number is always even. So answer will be even. Now we will take the LCM of 4080. So what will happen when we take LCM? This will be 2040, then this will be 10, 20, then again this will be 510, then 255. We will write our answer as 2 raised to power t. We get 2 raised to power t into 2 raised to power t minus 1 equals 2 raised to power t is 2 raised to power 4 into 255. Now we will solve this further. Now we will compare both the left hand side and right hand side. So according to that, 2 raised to power t will equals 2 raised to power 4, and on the other side 2 raised to power m minus 1 equals 2 in 5. Now how we will solve this further? Here the bases are same. When the bases are same, that means power is also same. So we get 2 raised to power t equals 2 raised to power 4. So t equals 4. We have to find the value of t, that is t equals 4. Now we will solve this. 2 raised to power m minus 1 equals 255. So 2 raised to power m equals 255 plus 1. This will become 256. Now we will take the LCM of 256. So 256 is divided by 2 gives 128. Then 128 is divided by 2 gives 64. 64 divided by 2 gives 32. 32 divided by 2 gives 16. 16 divided by 2 gives 8. and 8 divided by 2 gives 4, 4 divided by 2 gives 2, and 2 divided by 2 gives 1. So how many 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means we get 2 raised to power m equals 2 raised to power 8. When the bases are same, that means powers are also same. So we have m equals 2 raised to power m equals 8. So the value of m will be 8. Now value of m is 8, t is minus 4. So what will be k? So we will find the value of k here as, substitute the value of t in this equation. So k equals m plus t. M is 8 and t is 4. So 8 plus 4 will be 12. So k is 12. Now after solving this, we will verify is our answer is correct or not. So check this here. First write the answer, k equals 12 and the t equals 4. So this is the final answer. Now we will do verification. For this purpose, we will substitute 2 raised to power 12 minus 2 raised to power 4. 2 raised to power 4 is taken as common, 2 raised to power 8 minus 1. Then 2 raised to power 4 is 64. 2 raised to power 4 is 16. And 2 raised to power 8 is 256. So 256 minus 1, 255 into 16 will be 6 5s are 30, 6 5s are 30, 31, 32, 33. 6 2s are 12, 13, 14, 15. And this will be 5, 5 and 2. So we get this equals 4080, that equals right hand side. That means our solution is correct. If you have not subscribed Math Solver 1117, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned, keep learning, keep growing. Watch you in the next video.